Hello YouTube, Chachi back with another great video, and today's video is about how to turn on network discovery on your laptop or desktop in your Windows computer. So your network computer and device are not visible when you try to share files or folders to your laptop or your desktop computer. So to turn on the network discovery, just click here under the Windows. Here next to Windows you'll get search icon. Click on the search icon and type here control panel, and here the control panel open. Then select the control panel and make the option under the category. Then after that you will find network and internet option. Then select the network and internet option. Then you will find here network and sharing center. Then open the network and sharing center. Then on the left top corner you will find change advanced sharing setting. Then open this one and you will find three different categories, which is private, guest or public, or all networks. So you can use, if you are using a private one or for your purpose, select the private one and select here turn on network discovery. So turn on automatic setup for network discovery. Make sure you select this one. So as you select this one, the checkbox will be selected. And even you can file and printing sharing, you can also turn on, which is in order to turn on the file and printer sharing, you can use this one. And you can share from computers, can be accessed by people on the network. So you can share file and printers using this category. So as soon as you finish the private one, you can save change, or you can do the public one also. You can do the same. You can turn on the network discovery and file and printer for the public side. So for today's video it's for private. Then finally select save change and it will be saved, and close the control panel. So this will be on how you can be visible to other devices. So this is all about for today's video, and if today's video is helpful, like, subscribe, and give me comments on the comment section. For today, Chachi out.